Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have some rubber shoe covers. So these are like waterproof shoe covers. So if you've got some shoes, you can now put them in here and keep them waterproof. But look at this. So it's just kind of like a nice thing here. It's actually got a decent bottom to it. But let's see, I don't know if there's a left and a right as much as something. Maybe it's probably the left one here. So here is a left shoe and here's a right shoe. So let's just go ahead, and it comes in different sizes, and because it's so flexible, you could probably squeeze it into most anything. I don't know why I didn't take the tag off of these shoes yet, but you can do it. And so this is it here, and look at that. So now when you put your shoe on, you can put your shoe on, and then zip this up. So if you're gonna be walking in slush or water or something like that, you can just totally seal it up in there, and it's just a cover over your shoe. So this is great. So if you know you're gonna be walking in rain or yuck or something like that, you can just put these on and ready to go. And they're nice and small and super easy to do, and they're totally stretchy. So it'll fit a lot of different sizes. You sit like that. And so you can just keep these all wrapped up in small, and then when you need them, you just pull them out and stick them on. So these are great, nice solid things there. So I like it. This is a brilliant idea. Thumbs up.